window. So many sights to see, and when I look in my window, so many different people to be. But it's strange, so strange. You gotta pick up every stitch. You gotta pick up every stitch. You gotta pick up every stitch. Oh no, it's the season of the witch. Must be the season of the witch. Just see the season of the witch. Well, how do you there, pluckers? I'll have a sore fingers with you again for hopefully another interesting golden oldie lesson. This one goes all the way back to about 1967, 66, 67-ish, from Donovan, and a song called Season of the Witch. Okay, which I thought was coming up for the right time of year for this. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos as you can see, and I'm doing it in the same key that Donovan originally recorded the song in, which is basically A. Okay, so fairly straightforward chords in this song. It's just basically an A, an A7, just open third string there, second on the fourth, second on the second, 5 downwards. So you're an A major, an A7, and then I'm playing a D7, but I'm playing it like this. Okay, so I'm playing first finger on the second string, first fret. Okay, so the third finger on the second fret of the third string, and the second finger is going up to the bottom E string, second fret. I'm just playing 6 down to 2. Okay, and then the third chord is basically you can play straightforward E major or an E7th, depending on what you like the sound of best. I was using an E major in the demo, but it could be an E7, okay, whichever you like best. Now obviously I only played the intro, the first verse and the first chorus. It just repeats it another couple of times, another verse, another chorus, so I don't want to bore you to death with my singing. So there's nothing else in the song other than verses and choruses and the intro. Okay, so let's get to it. So starting off, there's some palm muting in this track. Okay, by the way, just back edge of the hand here, resting very lightly sometimes on the strings near the bridge somewhere. So it's not there all the time. It's just a feely thing. Can't really explain it. So so occasionally I'm just dampening the strings with that edge of the hand there. Okay. So the introduction is basically the A chord. I play the A string open, and then I sort of chunk on the A chord. That's right. Okay, and then I'm playing that D7 chord. Okay, that I just explained to you. First fret of the second string, first finger. Second fret of the third string with the third finger, and the second finger is going to the bottom E string, second fret. And basically you hit the bottom E string and then chunk the D7. Okay, so it's like. Okay, so it's like. And you do that twice. Okay. So just 2 times around that. So it's very slowly. Now we're going into the verse section. This is similar but different. Okay, so when you come into the verse, it's basically, it's like you strum the A chord, and then you play the A7. So it's like, right, bum, sort of thing, okay? And then you go to the D7, okay? Now the difference in the D7 is you play the first, as you do the normal D7 I've just shown you, then you take that first finger off for the last strum, open second string, okay? So it's like a D6 almost, isn't it? Okay, so that so you go for the introduction is and the verse is this. So the verse is basically the A chord, and then an A7, and then the D7, and then the D6. Okay, got that? And it's all the way through the verse like that. Okay, so we'll just go right up to the chorus. Okay, so we go. Intro. Verse. Okay. A couple of times, and then we start singing. Here we go. When I look out my window, many sights to see, and when I look in my window, so many different people to be. Keep going. That is strange, so strange. Keep going again. You gotta pick up every stitch. You got to pick up every stitch. You gotta pick up every stitch. Right, now do that 3 times. That's you've got to pick up every stitch. You do that 3 times, and then we go back to the A7th, and we go like, oh no, and then we just do sort of driving down strokes. Okay, oh no. Then that D7 must be the E major, C or E7, whichever you like best. You can play E major like that, or take the 3rd finger away. Leave the 4th string open, whichever you like the sound of best. Okay, so it's like, oh no, D7 must be E major or E7 season of the A7, which again must be the season of the witch, and again 3rd time, must be the season of the witch. Now I just played like what we did at the end of the intro again, the A to A7, D7 to D6, okay? So it's like, comes out that, last time it goes must be the season of the witch. Couple of times, or how many times you like, really. Okay, next verse. When I look over my shoulder, what do you think I see? You know, so on and so on, okay? So that's it, boys and girls. You just repeat more of the same with different words. Hope you've got that. Nice and simple lesson for you, quick and easy today. Thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.